Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the new budget king and super sub flagship Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36 UK, United States, European prices and release dates are confirmed. Samsung's latest mid-range phones, the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56, are on the final stretch toward a market release. Both phones got announced today, and although Samsung hasn't yet revealed when we will be able to buy them, we now know what they cost. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung just introduced the Galaxy A56, which brings 45-watt wired charging support, 4 years after the company first adopted that rate. Other new features include the Exynos 1580 chip, and a bigger 6.7 Super AMOLED screen, with smaller bezels on all 4 sides. We will come back to this and discuss exact availability details for the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 once we find out more, but for now, here's what the two phones will set you back in 3 key markets. Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 prices for the USA, United States. The Galaxy A36 with 128GB of storage will cost around $399 in the US, while the Galaxy A56 with 128GB of storage will cost at $499 in the United States. Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 European prices. The Galaxy A36 with 128GB of storage will cost around $379 in Europe, while the Galaxy A36 with 256GB of storage will cost $449. The Galaxy A56, which has 128GB of storage, will cost around $479 in Europe, while the Galaxy A56 with 256GB of storage will cost $529. Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 prices for the UK. The Galaxy A36 with 256GB of storage will cost around $399 in the UK, while the Galaxy A56 with 256GB of storage will cost $499. Galaxy A56 is coming to the USA. As you can see, not every storage option will be available in every market, at least not during the initial launch. More importantly, you may have noticed that the Galaxy A56 is included in the USA price listing. That's because the Galaxy A5X series is finally making a return to the USA this year. Samsung didn't release the Galaxy A55 in the United States last year. The reasons are unknown, but some have speculated that the company wanted to avoid a pricing conflict between the A55 and the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Regardless, the Galaxy A56 will be released in the USA this year, and it will cost $499. Samsung's new mid-range phones feature upgraded internals and build quality, extended firmware support, better AI and camera features, bigger screens, and more. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.